Hello everyone, we're back to Lemon Code 21. In this session, we'll learn the basics of Golang together with some exercises. This video is just a sharing of how I learned Golang, and hopefully, it can help you too. Let's get started. Here's the agenda we'll cover while learning basic Golang. First, we'll begin with the history of the Golang programming language. The Go programming language, commonly known as Golang, has a history rooted in its development at Google using the C programming language. It was later released to the public as an open-source project in 2009. The language gained significant traction when it played a crucial role in the creation of Docker in 2011. Since then, Golang has become increasingly popular in the development community, especially for building modern technologies. Many innovative tools and platforms, including Kubernetes, Prometheus, CockroachB, and others, have been developed using the Golang language. Its simplicity, efficiency, and performance have made it a preferred choice for developers in various domains. Why you must learn Golang. The Golang language is very simple. It doesn't take long to learn it. Golang supports good concurrency programming, where we currently live in the era of multi-core processors. Golang supports a garbage collector, so there is no need to do memory management manually like in C. One of the programming languages that is on the rise. Okay, this is a little explanation of how the Golang programming language works. If you look at the image, the file with the Go data type will be compiled by the computer into a binary file which will then be read by the computer. Before starting, you need to set up or install Golang. Open Google and search for Golang. Go to the official Golang website and download the version that corresponds to your operating system. In this case, I'm using Windows, so I'll download the Windows version. After downloading, proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the terminal and type Go version to check the installed Golang version on your PC. This command will display the Golang version you have installed.